Welcome to the Mind Generation channel. Before starting my video, I request you to please like my video and also subscribe my channel. So let's start our today's lecture. In today's we will going to learn about the noun. If you want to know the whole discussion of noun, so till the end. If you want to know the detail of a noun in single word, so that I can tell you that the noun is basically a name. The very important words that noun is basically a name. You can also say that the name of everything that exists in the world. You can also say that, but in the universe. That becomes also true. The name of a person in person would check the gender as a female or a male. In female would check the teacher. The teacher is also a noun, and a man is also a noun, is considered as a person, and a surgeon, for example, a doctor, for example, a kid or a girl or a child. The next is the place. The place is also a noun. For example, the factory. Factory is also a noun. An office, geographical point of view, office is also a noun. And a school is also a noun. Is also considered as a noun in the according to the place. The every place of a world is also considered a noun. The next is the thing in which we check the bicycle, scooter, truck, an aeroplane, and whiteboard. The fruits are also considered as a thing or a noun. They are such as the apple, mango, grapes, and a rocket is also considered as a noun. And a laptop, a cup of a hot tea, a clock or a timer is also considered as a noun. An ad is also a noun. And sanitizer is also a noun. The card of visa is also a noun. Every name is a noun that result is true. Yeah? So the kinds of a noun are discussed in another lecture. If you like the video, so please subscribe and like